Alternative investment avenues. What does that meaning? The investment other than traditional investments are called alternative investment avenues. So traditionally, what are the stocks, bonds, and cash? These are the tradition. Other than this stock, other than bond, other than cash is alternative. Bitcoin. Hmm. Some of the important alternative investments are real estate, gold, mutual funds, hedge funds, exchange traded funds, and commodities. What is that? Real estate building, gold bullions, or gold bonds. Are mutual funds combines of both stocks and shares, which it is being done by a mutual fund company. No, we can't do it. Hedge funds, you get the money, they invest in anything and get your money return. Exchange traded funds, what is that? You get the money from you, they make the trade and get you return with the profit. Like money lending, but something different. Commodity trading. So features, what are the features? Features of alternative investment that makes them different from the other investment feature because by it's a high fees, limited historical rate. They don't know the history of trading. You don't know illiquidity. You can't get the money so liquidity, and it's somewhat less transparency. Whatever they happening, you don't know. Extensive research required before giving your money to them. You should know history, and you need to know more research over them before giving your money there. Okay, that is a big problem here.